Motivate, reward, and retain your customers for life with a digital loyalty rewards program that is 100% customizable for your dealership and group. Your digital loyalty rewards program is integrated with your dealer management system. So as your customers purchase from you in sales, leasing, rentals, services, and parts, their points are automatically calculated and tracked in the rewards program. Customers can review their reward points from the dealer website, dealer customer portal, and their dealer mobile app. They can see how their points are earned, how their points are spent, as well as the history of earned and redeemed points throughout time. Loyalty rewards are flexible. Reward points can be locked to a specific location or shared among all locations in a dealer group. Keep your dealership top of mind with customers by sending them automated notifications alerting customers of their point balance and their upcoming reward. Customers can receive bonus rewards and benefits. This is great for incentivizing your customers to purchase a vehicle from you, follow their service maintenance schedule, and select add-ons like extended warranty, rustproofing, and parts and accessory purchases, helping you to enhance your F&I menu selling strategy. In addition to the DMS automation, dealers can add points to a customer account at any time. This is ideal for preventing customer defection for those rare moments in time where a customer has a negative experience at the dealership. Unlike manufacturer reward programs that don't foster brand awareness for your dealership or your group, your loyalty rewards program allows you to own the customer relationship and put your dealership and group top of mind for your customers. With detailed analytics, you can track customers that have not visited your dealership in a while and recover lapsed customers with a personalized special directly to their smartphone. All this with no effort from your staff. Your digital loyalty rewards program is integrated with your dealer management system and automated so that you can focus on growing your business. All said, your customers will love earning and redeeming loyalty rewards and capturing lasting loyalty.